the classic Death Grips. Let's take a look. As you can see, well, actually, before I even open it up, let's look at the sides. It's kind of written in cursive a little bit, Death Grips. The back, the powers that be, you know, grips, of course. That's what you're looking for. It's a very simple cover. But we open it up. We got some of the text here, you know, and a picture. We continue opening it up, and just by golly, look at that. Very nice. The discs look just phenomenal. I mean, very unique. Underneath, we even got a picture of what almost looks like an apple or of some sort and a black snake. Let's see what's on the other side. Probably, I would assume the same thing. Yeah, just inverted. But the discs look, again, very fun. I enjoy that. The fun thing about this is I think it actually has things on both sides. So we pulled this booklet out on this side. Obviously, it's going to be the stuff from this side. So we've got some pictures, some lyrics. Sorry. Is that the same picture? No, different pictures. Very fun. Just giving you a little look through. I like the back cover picture too. That's kind of fun. We'll throw that back in there. And let's see what's on this side for disc A. Very blown out. It looks like it's taken on like an OG digital camera. I like that. Again, some lyrics. It's got the same kind of layout as the second booklet. Double picture. First booklet or second booklet didn't have that. I like it. Very fun. It looks like a door with some like inflatable stuff next to it. Very nice. Very enjoyable. So yeah, there's a look at the Death Grips album. I hope you liked it.